So before we get into styling, we always want to make sure we start off with freshly washed hair. So here I'm just shampooing, conditioning, and make sure I rinse all that product out before we get into the styling process. Let's get ready to rumble. It's the battle of the mousses. So we have Camille Rose on one side and the Doux on the other. So after I parted my hair, I'm going in with the Crazy Sexy Curl Supercharged Honey from the Doux. It's their B-Girls collection. What I love about this is the smell. It smells just like honey. So this all-in-one styler states that it conditions, detangles, defines, and sets wash and goes, twist outs, and braids. It's fast drying with a flexible hold and no frizz or flaking. The Doux includes honey, aloe, bamboo, vitamins B and E, and silk amino acids. It states for best results, do not apply oil to the hair before applying this product. Apply a liberal amount to clean, damp hair in small sections, smoothing from root to ends. You can air dry, hood dry, or diffuse. Allow your hair to dry 100% before separating your curls. So now I'm just going to clip that to the side and get started with the Camille Rose mousse. This spiked honey mousse from Camille Rose is a 4-in-1 styler. It is crafted to smooth strands, boost shine, and set styles. It states to apply a generous amount onto freshly washed and conditioned strands. Style hair and allow to fully dry before fluffing. After I fully coated each side with the mousse, I'm gonna air dry and come back with the results. And voila, I'm back. So, battle of the mousses. This is this side, and this is this side. Let me know in the comments which side do you like. Are we Team A or Team B? Let me know. Overall, I love the results from each one. So what I would say about this one, when I put this on, I instantly love the smell because it smells like honey. Like I can still smell honey on this side. It's very moisturizing. I love how it like glide through my hair. I loved it. So I give this a 10 out of 10. Okay, so with the Camille Rose side. So if you watch my previous video, which I'll put a link right here, and if you have not seen it, I suggest you watch that. But you know how I was feeling about just a wash and go with just mousse. Well, I fell in love with this one that I have bought several bottles of this. I went to my local Target and I bought so many of these. So this has definitely become a staple in my routines. However, as I look at each side, now I still love this one. I love this one, but baby, this right here gave it some competition. Yeah, this one right here. I just love how my hair is very moisturized with this one. This one, it has a little bit of frizz, which is not bad. I'm okay with a little frizz, but this one you can see the definition more. I think both of these will definitely be, I will definitely repurchase both of these. But if I had to choose out of the two, I'm going with this one. I am going with this one. So let me know in the comments, have you tried either one of these, and which one do you prefer? Let me know. Well, that's it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for the next time I upload. Bye.